Hello students, welcome back to SBK English Academy. I am Saranabasappa. In today's class, I am going to discuss the supplement reading lessons of the 10th class first language English. I have set 20 multiple choice questions on this lesson, which will be possible and more important for the exam purpose. So you better to note down these questions in your notebook for practice. Those will help you for the next coming examination. And also watch this video from beginning to end and share, like and comment. Now we have to look at the questions. First question is like this. Ulysses and his followers came to land of Cyclops by daybreak, noon, morning, night. Guess the right answer. The right answer is option A, daybreak. Question number 2. The Cyclops are A, wild birds, B, honest drivers, Question number 2. The Cyclops are A, wild birds, B, honest people, C, wild animals, D, giant shepherds. The right answer is option D, giant shepherds. Question number 3. Which of the following is not true about the Cyclops? A, they neither sow nor plow. B, they get rich with barley and grapes without plowing. C, they have neither bread nor wine. D, they know the arts of cultivation. The right answer is option D, they know the arts of cultivation. Actually, they did not know the arts of cultivation. So this is not true about the Cyclops. Question number 4. The dwellings of the Cyclops is A, in the caves, B, on the steep heads of the mountains, C, on the trees of the mountains, B, both A and B. The correct answer is both A and B. Option D is the right answer. Question number 5. Which of the following statement does not relate to the Cyclops? Option A, they have no ships and boats. They have no trade and commerce. C, they have visited many shores. D, they have convenient places for harbors and shipping. Option C, they have visited many shores is not related to Cyclops. Actually, the Cyclops did not try to visit the other shores. Question number 6. The cave of the Cyclops showed more marks of strength than skill because. Look at the caves of the construction of the caves of the Cyclops. So we can confirm that strength is used more than skill. Because option A, they used the natural state of the tree. B, Pillars of the caves are the bodies of huge oaks and pines. C. A cave was giant and rudely fashioned. D. All the above. Choose the right answer. Option D is the right answer. All the above. Question number 7. Ulysses resolved to flatter his hospitality with option A present of holy water, B, a present of Greek wine, C, a present of sweet fruits, D, offering some fragrant flowers. The right answer is option B, a present of Greek wine. Question number 8. The following is not the specialty of the Greek wine. A. It needs 20% of water. B. Its fragrance is so delicious. C. It soon kills the man after drinking it. D. It raises one's courage to the height of heroic deeds. The right answer. Option C. It soon kills the man after drinking it. Question number 9. In the kitchen of the Cyclops, the Gracians found or the Gracians saw. Option A. The flesh of sheep and goats lay strewed. Option B. Goat milk stored in troughs and pails. Option C. Live animals are kept. Choose the right answer. The right answer is option D. All the above. The Gracians found all these in the cave. Question number 10. Ulysses and his followers' ears are deafened by the sound of A. Cyclops yarning style, B. A head of firewood, a heap of firewood, C. The footsteps of the Cyclops, D. The big stone which was kept at the mouth of the cave. Choose the right answer. The right answer is option B, a heap of firewood. This sound came to Ulysses and his followers when the Cyclops threw a huge firewood down on the ground. Question number 11. The name of the largest and savagest of the Cyclops is A. Hercules, B. Bhimacena, C. Polyphemus, D. Ulysses. The correct option is option C. Polyphemus is the name of the largest and savagest of the Cyclops. Question number 12. Polyphemus boasted himself as the son of A. Neptune, B. Jupiter, C. Zeus, D. Aphrodite. The right answer is option A. Neptune. Always Polyphemus boasted himself as the son of Neptune. Question number 13. Ulysses and his followers came to Cyclops cave because, means why did Ulysses and his followers come to Cyclops cave? A. They wanted to plunder and do business. B. They wanted to kill the Cyclops. C. They lost their way. D. They wished to test the hospitality of the Cyclops. Choose the right answer. The correct option is they lost their way. Especially Ulysses and his followers were returning from the war of Troy. On the way, they lost their way, so that's why they landed to the coast of the Cyclops. 14. Ulysses half resolved to trust the Cyclops when it was sleeping. Option A. They were constrained to abide all that night in fear. B. Polyphemus could only remove the mass stone. C. Cyclops had tied them inside the cave. D. They decided to enjoy that night at the cave. Right answer is option B. Polyphemus could only remove the stone. See, if Ulysses had killed Cyclops with his sword in that night, they would have been stay in the cave because it was impossible to any Grecians to remove the stone which was kept by Polyphemus at the mouth of the cave. Question number 15. Ulysses chose dash to hit the Cyclops' eye. E. Option A sharp knife. Option B, a stake. Option C, a long sword. Option D, a hot rod. The right answer is option B, long stake. Question number 16. Polyphemus totally had eaten or had killed dash Grecians. Option A 3, option B 6, option C 5, option D 4. How many people were killed by Polyphemus totally in the cave? The right answer is option D 4. Polyphemus killed totally 4 men of Greek. Question number 17. Ulysses told Polyphemus his name was A. New man, B. No man, C. Roman, D. Ithaca. Choose the right answer. The right answer is option B. No man. Which of the following is not the answer of the Polyphemus to his brethren? Option A, no man had killed him. Option B, no man was with him in the cave. Option C, no man had hurt him. Option D, Ulysses hurt him. Choose the right option. Option D is the right answer. Ulysses hurt him. So, when Polyphemus made a lot of sound, his other relatives who were residing at the foot of the mountain came to Polyphemus' help. But when they came, he answered his brethren all the three. Question number 19. Ulysses was the king of A. Sparta, B. Athens, C. Corinth, D. Ithaca. The right option is option D. Ithaca. Question number 20. Ulysses called himself as option A, the waster of the cities. Option B, the waster of the forests. Option C, the waster of the Cyclops. Option D, the hunter of the Cyclops. Choose the right answer. Option A is the right answer. So students, these are the questions which I set on this lesson. You watch this video frequently and try to answer yourself, and if it is necessary, you better to note down in your examination. Share, like and also comment on this video, and you don't forget to subscribe to my channel for latest updates regarding first language English examination. Thank you for watching this video.